us build Super Farm. I will put the barn here. I brought something from the city. What is our mission today? 3 monsters are coming. We must protect the farm. Wait, I brought a new hero from the city. This is my new hero, Pink Star. Wow. She is beautiful. She is brave, strong, and fast. She can join our team, but Captain Blue is still the leader. Of course, we will play together. I will control the monsters. Captain Blue will make the plan. Pink Star is ready. Team, are you ready? Ready! Oh no! The rock monster is near the barn. Do not worry. Captain Blue has a plan. Pink Star flies over the wall and stops the monster. She did it! Great job, Pink Star. My hero was gonna stop it. Your hero can stop the next monster. The water monster is coming to the bridge. This one is mine. Captain Blue will protect the bridge. Pink Star uses her shield. The water cannot pass. Pink Star wins again. Can my hero have a turn now? Yes, but there is one more monster. The shadow monster is near the farmhouse. First, we close the gate. Then Captain Blue goes around the bridge. Pink Star jumps from the roof and uses her power. All the monsters are gone! Pink Star saved the farm! You did not wait for my plan. I am sorry. I was very excited. Pink Star was the strongest hero today. Pink Star is the best. We all won together. My hero did nothing. Nobody listened to my plan. It was only a game, Max. I am the leader, but you do not need me now. Your hero can lead the next mission. You said that before. I am sorry, Max. I was too excited. Max gets upset sometimes. Leave him for a while. Fine. You can play without me. Max, wait. We can start again. I do not want to play now. Let him go. He will come back later. Maybe we should talk to him. He often feels angry, and then he feels better. Luna only wants to play with Nastia now. They had more fun without me. You should be the leader. I cannot sleep. Everyone is asleep. I will only look. If I hide Pink Star, the game may be like before. I will hide it for only a little while. Tomorrow, Captain Blue can lead again. This should make me happy. Why do I still feel bad? Good morning, Pink Star. Pink Star, where are you? You were here last night. Are you under the bed? Mom, my pink hero is gone.
Take a breath, Nastya. Where did you put it?
It was on the table beside my bed.
Did you move it before you went to sleep?
No. I always keep it there. What happened, Nastya? I cannot find Pink Star anywhere. I will call my mom.
Do not worry. We will look for it together. What does the toy look like? What does the toy look like?
It is pink and white. It has a helmet and a long pink cape.
Where did you play with it yesterday?
We played downstairs with Max and Luna.
Did anything happen during the game?
Pink Star defeated every monster. Max became angry.
What happened after that?
Max left because his hero did not get a turn. I told Nastya to leave him alone.
Thank you for telling us the truth. We will stay calm and find the toy. Good morning, Max. Nastya's toy is missing. Do you know where it is?
No, I do not know. I did not take it.
I did not ask if you took it.
I only wanted you to know.
Everyone makes mistakes. A good child tells the truth and fixes the mistake. Taking another person's toy and hiding it is wrong.
Will Dad be angry with me?
Dad will be sad if you hide the truth. Tell me now, and we can make it right.
I took the toy. I hid it under my bed.
Thank you for telling me. Why did you take it?
When Pink Star came, Luna only played with Nastya. My hero never won. Nobody listened to my plan.
Feeling sad or jealous can happen. Taking the toy and telling a lie are wrong.
I I am sorry, Mom. I know it was wrong.
Thank you for telling the truth. Now you must fix the mistake. Max, do you know what a true leader does?
A leader wins?
A true leader helps the whole team win. A leader listens, makes a plan, and gives everyone a fair chance. When a teammate is strong, a good leader feels proud, not angry.
Can Pink Star win while I am still the leader?
Yes, if you help the team. Everyone can lead sometimes. Nastia, did Max get a fair turn yesterday?
No. I was too excited.
Was it kind to say, leave him alone?
No. I should have listened to him. I am sorry, Max. I should not leave you out.
Thank you, Luna. All three of you must listen, share, and take turns.
Yes, I understand. Nastia, I took your toy and hid it. I am very sorry. I was very sad, but thank you for telling the truth. I forgive you. We will all get a turn. Pink Star can fight the monster.
Captain Blue can make the plan.
My job can be protecting the farm.
What are you doing in Max's room?
We are having a superhero team meeting.
Did the heroes save the world?
Not yet, Dad. First, we need breakfast.
That is my favorite mission.
Today, everyone gets a turn. We can share.